channel, and welcome to another makeup tutorial. So guys, this is the makeup look that I did, and it's a cut crease makeup tutorial. And if you'd like to see how I achieved this makeup look, please keep on watching. And I need you to do something for me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. um Press the subscribe button, hit on notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And for returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for coming back, watching my videos, and supporting this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. So let's go into this makeup look. So first off, I'll be going into the beauty formula micellar cleansing water, micellar cleansing water, and I'm using this to clean my face. And for my moisturizer, I'll be using shea butter for my moisturizer to moisturize my face. This is my like number one. Anybody that asks me anything, both me and my sister, the way we are preaching gospel of shea butter, use a powder to mattify. I'm going to use a face powder to mattify my face as a primer powder before applying foundation. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, my highlighter and contour, then I'll come back because this tutorial is basically an eye makeup tutorial. Okay, so I've already done my skin work and now it's time for the eyeshadow application. I'll be using this eyeshadow primer from Karite Cosmetic. Using this primer from Karite Cosmetics. Applying this on my eyelids. We're applying this all over my eyelids. I think I put a bit too much. So, oh my god. Please guys, don't mind the noise in the background. This is one thing about filming. So many things just get in your way. I'm so happy today that there's light. I can actually use electricity to film. If this light will go off, this whole place will go dark. And I'm just praying, God, please. Today's eye look, I'll be using the Juvias Masquerade palette, and I'll be using only this palette for my tutorial today. I'll be using, I don't even know what to use, what shades. I know I want to do something. So I'll be using this gold shade, and I'll be using um this color and this color as my transition shades. I'll be going in with my first transition shade, which is this dark. Oh, actually it's black. So I'll be going in with this color first of my transition shade. First transition, not transition, transition. Okay. Oh, so I'm just going to be tapping this on the eyeshadow base. So I'm just trying to create that crease, and I'm just going to be tapping this until I get the desired shade that I want to work with. So after applying the first transition color, I'm going to go into another brush, and I'll be taking this red shade, and I'm going to use the red to blend it out. So you need to like be patient when you are when you are doing your eyeshadows, because you need to take your time and really blend it out to avoid harsh lines. Okay, so I still need my crease to have that depth. So I'm going to go in with this black shade, and I'm just going to take just a little of it, and I'm going to apply it directly into my crease, just little. And I'm going to like tap this first to see how much black I have on. So this is okay. So I'm just going to like blend this directly in, because that's the essence of having a cut crease. And I'm just going to like brush it off at the end here. I'm going to use this brush. So, ah, this brush. I'm going to use this brush to like light, so watery. The concealer from my hands, and I'll be applying it. I just feel like this line is not straight. But anywho, we move. So guys, what I feared the most just happened. NEPA just took the light, and you can see that everywhere is dark. I can't even really see the beauty of my makeup. I'm so sorry guys about that, but let's keep up with the makeup tutorial. I hope they bring the light soon. That will do. With my karite, still the same brand, karite powder. I'm just going to tap and just blend out my whole blend out my whole face. I'm not going to be doing I'm not going to be applying eyeliner for this look. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my false lashes. So I have been struggling with my lashes, and finally I have managed to like put it together. Obviously the lash glue that I used is not a good one, but God, there's so many fake things in the market. If you don't know what you're doing, everything, they all look like the original. Okay? So I'm going to take on this shade right here, and I'm going to use it to like apply it on my lower lash line. Okay, so for my blush, I'll be using a shade from this palette too. I'll be using this shade I use for my lower lash. I'll be using it as my blush. So I'm just going to, when you smile, you get exact spots.
actually going to go in with that shade that I used for my crease, that shimmer, and I'm just going to apply it here on my brow bone area.
Using the Kiss Beauty setting spray. So I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter to highlight my face. Yeah. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I can't find it, so I'm just going to go ahead into my Huda Beauty palette and I'm going to use this shade as my highlights. Yeah. So this is the final look, guys. I went ahead and finished up my lips off camera because there's nothing so special, just lip gloss and lip liner. And this is the look, final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please tell me what you think about this makeup look, and also tell me what kind of content or what kind of tutorials would you like me to do on this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm cool, but I'm looking for more. Girl don't care about my doorstep. And she get down chick, and she know I love that. She sees past all this bad wild stuff because she knows at the end of the day the only thing matters is us. And it be a lot of groupies on the